password on Nomad. Hey guys, good? Leonard Paiva back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your Nomad account access password. Do you like these kinds of videos? There are already other related videos on the channel. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. I'm always making videos to help you guys. Okay, let's go guys. As soon as you log into the Nomad app, you're going to click up here on this icon, this little guy up here. Then you're going to scroll down a bit and click here guys, under Preferences, under Account Settings. In Account Settings, there will be a few options, and you are going to click on the first one, Reset Your Access Password. You're going to click. First, you need to enter your current password. Then you're going to click Continue. And now you're going to put in your new password. It needs to meet the password criteria, just like the previous password. It needs to be 8 characters, have symbols, letters, lowercase, uppercase, and also numbers. So the requirements that you've met will show up down here. After everything is done, the new password created, you're going to confirm the creation of the new password down here by clicking on this button, Create New Password. Do you have any questions? Put it down below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll leave it at that. A big hug. Stay with God. Thanks, guys.